Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your own audio to CapCut PC. So let's get started. Here I have created a project on my CapCut PC and we're going to practice how we can add our own audio to this project. So the first thing we're going to do is we can click on the audio option right here, then just select extracted audio. Then you can click on import and select the audio from your device that you want to add to your project. And for example, I'm just going to add this one, so just tap on the audio, then click on open, and this is the audio. And if you want to add this audio to your project, you just need to click on this plus button, and now the audio has been added to our project. Alright guys, and that's how we can add on our own audio to CapCut project on PC. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.